Welcome everybody to our Python basic introduction. In the next minutes we're going to show you how to write basic Python commands, like using it as a calculator, defining some vectors, matrices, writing some functions, or also plot some results, and also how you can work with strings and these kind of things. Therefore, we are going to use the PyCharm IDE, and here I already copied the example into my folder that I'm going to use throughout the project. And the next step would be now to open PyCharm. Okay, so that takes a couple of seconds, and you see here it loads, and then we can select basically this tutorial folder, and then we can open this example file. So it takes a few seconds to open up, and then you see on the left side there's already the structure of the project. So we have this tutorial folder with two files, the main file, which was just like the basic hello world print, and then we have this new file which we're going to use to show you some basic commands on how to use Python. Okay, so what you should do when you start this new project, you should check the interpreter. So you can go on preferences, and then here on the left side we have a list of different options, and then its project, which in our case it's called tutorial, like the folder, and then we have the structure and also the interpreter. It's important now that you check which interpreter is set, because when it's like the Python 2.7 interpreter, then the syntax is slightly different, and then the file doesn't run. So here we choose the 3.6, and then we click on OK, and then we're basically ready to go.